Hey everyone, Legacy Leo here. Are you ready to totally supercharge your savings without turning your life upside down? I know, saving money can feel like a huge mountain to climb, but what if I told you it's actually about making small, simple moves every single day? Today, I'm going to share 15 incredibly easy money moves that you can start right now to build a stronger financial future. These aren't about deprivation. They're about being smart with your money. So grab a notebook and let's dive into these game-changing habits. First up, number 1, pay yourself first. The moment you get paid, before you pay any bills, transfer a set amount into your savings. It's a powerful mindset shift. Number 2, use coupon extensions. When you're shopping online, browser extensions like Honey or Rakuten automatically find and apply coupons at checkout. It's free money. Speaking of free money, number 3 is to use cashback apps like Ibotta for your groceries. Just scan your receipt and watch the cash roll in. Next, number 4, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account. You won't even miss the money because you'll never see it. Number 5 is a fun one. Name your savings accounts. Instead of just savings, call it Dream Vacation to Italy or New Car Fund. It makes your goals tangible and keeps you motivated. Number 6, use cashback credit cards responsibly. If you pay your balance in full every month, you can earn 1 to 2% back on everything you buy. It adds up fast. Number 7, explore savings apps like Acorns or Digit. They analyze your spending and cleverly tuck away small amounts of money for you. It's saving on autopilot. Feeling impulsive? Try number 8. Wait 24 hours before making a non-essential purchase. That cool gadget you saw online? Sleep on it. More often than not, the urge will pass and your wallet will thank you. Number 9. Find free entertainment. Have a picnic in the park, visit a free museum day, or host a game night. Fun doesn't have to cost a fortune. Let's move on to number 10. Round up your bills. When you pay a bill for, say, $47.50, pay an even $50 and apply the extra to your principal. It's a sneaky way to pay down debt faster. Number 11 is a classic for a reason. Caffeinate at home. That $5 daily latte? That's over $1,800 a year. Brewing your own coffee is a huge money saver. And while you're at it, number 12, meal prep on the weekends. Dedicate a few hours on Sunday to plan and cook your lunches for the week. You'll eat healthier and avoid expensive last-minute takeout. Number 13 requires a little courage but has a big payoff. Negotiate your bills annually. Call your cable, internet, and cell phone providers and ask for a better rate. You'd be surprised what a simple phone call can do. We're almost there. Number 14 is crucial. Track your spending. Use an app or a simple spreadsheet to see exactly where your money is going. Awareness is the first step to change. You can't fix what you don't measure. And finally, number 15, for a real boost. Try a no-spend challenge. It could be for a weekend or even a whole week. You'll reset your spending habits and discover just how resourceful you can be. So there you have it, 15 simple, powerful moves to get your savings on the fast track. Don't feel like you have to do them all at once. The key is to just start. Pick one, just one of these tips, and implement it today. Your future self will be so grateful you did. Small actions, when done consistently, lead to massive results. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on building your legacy. Let me know in the comments which move you're going to try first. See you next time.